Today I want to take a look at the Back to the Roots water garden. So this is it's like a beginner's aquaponics kit, and by Back to the Roots they make a number of products, growing related products. I've had this for a couple of years. My wife bought it for me one Christmas, and I just haven't used it yet. I haven't thought of what I wanted to put in it. For one reason or another, I just never got around it. It hasn't been opened yet, so I want to try using it. So I want to be a disclaimer that I don't have any experience with aquaponics. And also, depending on how it looks once we take it apart, I may try to do like a bonsai pepper with it. And I don't know if that'll even work or not. I don't have any experience with bonsai peppers either. So I want to take a look at how the top part looks and if I can work that into it. If not, I'll just start some kind of microgreens probably. Yeah, so the way this works is there's like a relationship with between the fish and the plants. The fish waste is like fertilizer. Assume it's pumped out from here, recirculated over the roots and the plants, and this somehow cleans the water. In theory, this should work. That's how it's supposed to work, I think. Like again, I've no experience with aquaponics, but this looks like a nice learning kit to get started in it and then go from there if it's something someone like. You can get this on Amazon. The price varies a lot. I think they retail for around $99. Just as of this very moment, I checked and it was on sale for $82, and they had a 40% off coupon. So the price is going to, I hate to quote prices because it always changes, but if you shop around, you can probably get it fairly cheap. I'll put a link in the description to where you can look at it, and it may or may not be on sale by the time you see this, but I think there's probably some other products out there too. But this is a 3-gallon container, and it says it has everything that you need. So it's got the 3-gallon tank, organic seeds, fish food, coupon for a betta fish, has the water pump, natural water treatments, 3 grow pods, and gravel. So let's go ahead and unbox this and look at it. Okay, so what we've got here, instruction manual. Tells you how to do the tank setup. It's the coupon for the, so it gives you a $3 off through Petco for the betta fish. And then there's some other coupons. There's the grow bed setup. It gives you all the instructions on what to do, conditioning your water. So this is the top of the tank. It's like a little submersible pump. It's pretty cool. That's my filtration. So it gives you 2 different kind of seeds. There's a lot of seeds. I mean, so you could probably just grow them over and over, but there's wheatgrass and radish. Fish food for all tropical fish. Probably goes to the submersible pump. Beneficial live bacteria. It's water conditioning. It's a dechlorinator. That's cool. I have some experience keeping fish, but it's been a long time. And there's the gravel that comes with it. So these are your, it's like the 3 grow pods. Yeah, I don't know if it'll work. It may be a total disaster, but I want to try to, at least on this center one, or one of these, do my little bonsai plant. And it may not work, it might work, but I think I should be able to fit one in here. And then maybe put some microgreens on the side ones. Grow stone. I need to look in the manual to see. I guess this is probably what goes in the pods, and this probably goes down in the bottom. Here's the tank. That's really nice looking tank. It looks like feels like an acrylic material, very lightweight. So this is where it looks like it recirculates in. So this is probably going to attach to the side down here and inside. This is going to connect. I guess it just pours out, but I got to look in the manual. Okay, yeah, so this hooks up down here like that. The little hose I showed hooks into that, goes up to there. This comes out into here. This little sponge goes down there. These grow stones go inside of these pots. Okay, so this center one with the hole, that's what you feed with. You feed through this hole for the fish. Looks like a pretty good kit with everything you might need to get started. I think I am going to try my little chili pepper bonsai experiment with this. I'll be doing 2 new things at once, and like I said, I'm not advocating anyone try it, but I will share my results and if it works or not. But otherwise, I mean, it looks like a really solid kit. It's a good size container. I mean, it'll be nice, like a nice little desktop kind of display. It's a little dusty. I need to kind of clean it off a little bit. I really like how it looks. I'm looking forward to trying it. Let me get this set up, and I'll show you how it's working. Okay, so I'm going to put radish and wheatgrass. I think I'm going to put radish on the sides and then put some wheatgrass around the base of the pepper plant. About a teaspoon per pod. Oh wait. Okay, so I'm supposed to disperse this whole bottle of Zombac. It's the beneficial bacteria, helps the get the tank cycled and gets on the medium and kind of cycles through. Okay, and I do my seeds. All that's left is the fish, which I'm on the way to get. So I got one of these. It's advertised as a 3-gallon fish tank, but it's really, if you go to the max fill line that they recommend, it's just a tiny bit over 2 gallons of water you can put in there. So it's just something to keep in mind. I added a heater. You can see here on the left, it should maintain at 78 degrees. So that doesn't come with it, but I bought that tonight. Okay, it's been about 2.5 weeks since I started these seeds, and I've already cut and pulled roots out of these radishes here, and I've extracted a few from for another grow test. I've trimmed the wheatgrass down. The wheatgrass can grow back twice. These have to be replanted after the first harvest. I am getting growth on the bonsai chili. Leaves are a little weird coming out, but I've got a lot of growth on here. There's been a lot of little bud sites too I've been picking off. Can't really see it, but there is some starting to emerge there as well. And right there, and on this corner. So I'm getting growth on this bonchi. It should grow out more and more as I let it set in here. Fish is doing well. Feeding the food that came with. The manufacturer recommended 3 to 5 of these a day, so I just pour some out on a paper towel. Just gonna drop them in through here. You kind of see it coming down. And yeah, so he looks great. I don't see any evidence of disease or anything. I do need to add some structure, and I'm starting to get some roots growing down through here. These a lot of roots coming out. I don't know about the bonsai yet, but so yeah, it looks like a really good setup for what it can do for growing microgreens. I really need to harvest these after about a week. I've let them go way too long, but I could probably still use these in salad or something. or like I am actually growing some of these individually in a cracky system downstairs, which will be another video. And also we'll have another video coming out showing exactly how I set this up and how I pruned it and prepped it for the aquaponics system. So anyway, that's the Back to the Roots water garden, and looks like a really solid kit. I'll put a link in the description on where you can buy one, and any other resources I can think of I'll add to the description as well. And I've got some other videos showing this. I'll put those links in there also. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you like that. Please like, comment, and subscribe.